So they won't walk. Keep walking, keep walking. Reverse. Keep walking. Keep walking.
Yes.
1,000 miles away. So close away. So close. Come. Hello.
Girls, Kashmir.
Good morning, sir. Can we get your 2 minutes worker coming on our class 7th expo? Where for the past few weeks our
Get inside.
It
should not ourselves create jam.
Where for the past few weeks our entire level has been novel science experiments like endocrine system, DNA, helix, chemical industries, air pollution control plants, and even working hard model. And it's worth everything for our expo INSPIREX. Today our class 7 students will proudly present the innovative projects related to science, technology, and money. We are pleased to invite you here. We wholeheartedly welcome you to our class 7th expo. Thank you.
Thank you very much for the class.
That is the first part. We are now opening the key of knowledge. Any one key, sir.
Any one key. Then if you take the probability 1 by 7. How to time up. You are jailing the children and okay, right.
INSPIREX open. Start the skip.
Right loudly. Family budget avoid unnecessary spending and help first step to create a family budget is to make part of income and expenses. Next step, after paying attention, 1 line enough. Each restrict to 1 or 2 lines. Loudly.
Family budget teaches us how to spend wisely, teaches how responsibly to spend, makes a family financial institution.
Before we begin, just imagine Before we begin, just imagine India has a big family. Every family plans its income and expenses. Similarly, India plans its financial income of every year.
Nice.
Welcome to our interactive model. Tier 1 economy. Every day we make a decision about what to spend, donate or investment, and we index the activity. You can take any one of this money and put in any one of it.
Very nice. When parents will come, you can engage with this.
To understand why taxation is raised in the GDP of India is first we need to know about the taxation of India.
Good morning, sir. Why do you think the rich is getting more richer while the poor is getting more poorer? This happens because of the fundamental economic reality, where the returns on the capitals grows faster than the wages of the normal person.
Here we have a weapon industry where weapon industry makes more GDP and we can sell our products like AK-47 to other countries and we can improve our GDP rates and also we can earn money. We can also have
What is GDP? Domestic.
Good morning, sir. weapon industry, or and also many weapons and guns can be sold to other countries and more profit can be earned. When more weapons and more weapons are produced, when the welfare of the country will be decreased. Morning, sir. I am going to explain about the advantages of painting. People migrate to foreign countries to earn higher incomes. They are leaving their home country and they are shifting to the foreign countries for better career opportunities. Good morning, sir. I am going to explain about the causes of painting. Because of lack of employment in our country, more people are surveying our country and going to another country. Good morning, sir. I am going to explain about the disadvantages of employment. Limited freedom. You must follow companies' rules and decisions made by managers, which can reduce autonomy and creativity. Good morning, sir. As per master stated, demand and supply is two blades of scissors, signifying their inseparability. Important point to be noted that steady balance, which means keeping other factors both in law, demand and supply is wrong. Market equilibrium refers to a situation where market demand equals market.
We are going to explain about demand and supply. So simply, what is demand? Demand is always present in the world. It is just that you have the willingness to buy a commodity as well as you have the ability. If you just have a willingness to buy a commodity without any money, it is called as a want.
Before going deep into demand and supply, we have to talk more about the laws of equilibrium. And the laws are the laws of demand and the laws of supply. The laws of demand states that there is an inverse relationship between the price of the commodity and the quantity of the commodity demanded. While there is a positive or
Every goods demand rises the price. People buy luxury goods such as expensive watch to show their social status. Inferior goods. These are necessary goods such as millets which has no substitute good.
Yes. Well done. It's all related to price and demand.
These are all related to the process where the products from the farm are related go to the consumer's hand. And yeah, this is topic explains about the process involved in the farm to fork process.
It is other way. Normally it's manufacturing, wholesale, retail, consumption. Okay, good.
This is based on our talk, whatever we spoke, that is based on quiz. So if you win,
Parents come here again. Okay, BBC. Well done. Commerce and economics is a bigger world. Many people do not understand it. So as much as possible, I will be interested in economics. Today, economics is a great demand in, for example, countries like Russia, United States, Germany. Are you commerce students, right? Yes. For example, law of demand is when supply increases what? When demand increases what? The simple line. Because since I also did economics, it's a great advantage. I miss it, at least you can try. Okay, great.
Thank you, sir. This is poet, sir. Poet. They are explaining clearly.
Loudly speak and restrict to 1 or 2 lines.
Our project is water purification. Water is one of the various resources which we can from dams, lakes, ponds and etc. With which it converts the sand and atomic dust particles to ensure and prevent that this is a water purification. Next, the water passes to the sand filter. The layers of sand and gravels trap smaller dust particles and imputes this results in clean water.
After sand filtration, water enters to the carbon filter. It removes pungent smell, colors, and other harmful chemicals. Then UV filtration kills germs, bacteria, and virus present in the water.
Finally, the purified water is collected in the storage tank. From there, supplied to the houses through pipelines. Our project shows us save water and clean air. Thank you.
Our project is when the wind blows, the windmill starts spinning. The windmill produces electricity due to a generator.
The main hubs of windmill are located in Kanyakumari district of Mundil and the outer skirts of Nagarkoil.
Our topic is about solar energy. Solar energy is generated obtained from sun. Solar energy can reduce carbon footprints. Nowadays, majorly solar energy is obtained from coal.
Now let me see how Everwin lead block works with solar energy. Solar energy is all about advantage and disadvantage. Advantage is the reduction of pollution, and disadvantage is that only works in sunlight and less effective in cloudy days.
Let us see solar energy how it works. Solar energy converts electric DC to AC current. Converts DC to AC current, and it uses photoelectric effect. Then it is used for in homes, industries, and for appliances.
Good morning. Our project is chemistry for climatic action. Our climate change is an increase in Earth's average temperature due to greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrogen gases.
This is our model. On the left, the factory represents the industries releasing greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. In the center, the volcano represents the harmful effect of climate change. The chemistry behind the project is the greenhouse effect. Greenhouse gases absorb infrared rays and trap heat in the atmosphere. This increases the Earth's temperature. This leads to global warming, melting of glaciers, and rise sea levels.
Recently, they came in over 20 something. On the right side of our model, we have shown windmills and trees, which are renewable energy sources.
So this can have some effect. This helps in climate change.
This help reduce carbon dioxide emission and protect our environment.
Good morning, sir. We are welcoming you to the world of green energy city. I am going to talk about the tidal energy. Tidal energy is produced by the natural rise and fall of ocean tides. It's highly predictable, renewable, and also it's a cleaner. Thank you.
Biogas is obtained from agricultural waste, cow dung, and food waste. It is an high efficient energy source which can replace petrol and diesel.
I am going to talk about geothermal energy. Geothermal energy is obtained from the hot water or steam deep inside the earth. The steam moves upward to a production well and pushes the turbines, which converts the mechanical energy to electricity.
Geothermal. In New Zealand, I saw this in public. The open it's coming geothermal.
Solar energy. Solar panels are by photovoltaic effect. When sunlight strikes the PN junction, electrons are released and direct current is released and converts AC to DC.
Good morning, sir. Atomic power plants are low carbon, zero emission facilities that generate electricity through nuclear fission. Now, let me explain about the zero emission factor. Nuclear power emits no greenhouse gases or harmful effects like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides.
So people near Kalpakam, they are always protesting. There will be some harmful gas.
Now, I'm going to talk about the energy density of the atomic power plant. In nuclear fission, energy obtained from splitting 1 gram of uranium is equal to burning 3 tons of coal.
I want to talk about the process of atomic power plant. Atomic power plant generates electricity from nuclear fission, where uranium or plutonium is used as a nuclear fuel, and a large amount of heat is produced in the reactor. So this heat converts water into steam, and this steam rotates a turbine and drives a generator to produce electricity.
I'm going to explain about hydroelectricity. It is one of the oldest method of clean energy, which is producing energy by centuries. It is produced by kinetic energy and potential energy of flowing or falling water, which produce energy. Thank you.
Thank you. About waste management. Waste management is a process of collecting, treating, and transferring and safely disposing of waste management factories help us
Loudly.
waste management factory help us to reduce the pollution and keep our environment
Reduces pollution. Okay.
Biodegradable materials are converted into fertilizers. Non-biodegradable materials are converted into reusable plastic. Waste management.
So corporations say you should even segregate even the garbage like biodegradable.
Waste management factories plays a vital role in protecting our environment by reducing pollution and promotes recycling.
Yeah, the same message.
This is nanotechnology, and it filters nanotechnology from wastewaters and makes nano products.
Our project is NanoClean. It's an innovative. NanoClean. It's an innovative.
Clean, sir.
NanoClean.
Clean.
It's an innovative.
Do this one. Nano clean.
It's an innovative water purification system inspired by magnetic nanotechnology. It demonstrates how magnetic particles can be used to remove certain pollutants from the water. Our project is about eco-friendly products. Green chemistry is not just about experiments. It is also about creating some practical solutions for everyday life. Some examples are using earthen pots instead of glass.
Instead of plastic, go for the traditional part.
This is actually air flowing. This converts air pollution into usable ink, which as the air pollution contains soot, which is technically carbon particles. We convert that into a mixer and make it into ink. Convert carbon particles into ink so that ink can ink. Sir, I would like you to write your name.
Correct? Not write it here. No, not that pen. I think it's giving. Only this pen should be used. Not working at all. There is no other pen.
This is the only pen that we use.
Not okay. Not this one. This one okay? Thank you very much. Next.
Good morning, sir. Our topic is about facts about green chemistry. Green chemistry is a philosophy of chemical engineering and design that emphasizes on the making of sustainable products, which minimizes the use of hazardous substances.
Good morning, sir. I will talk about the principles of green chemistry. There are atoms, economy, and preventions, and their chemical fertilizers and the usage.
I'm going to talk about this many. Most people think that green chemistry is just cleaning up the factory waste, but it's completely different.
Waste.
It's completely different. It is a philosophy that how the chemicals are invented at the molecular level. It is simply better to prevent the waste than to treat or clean up after it is formed. Thank you.
Okay. This was that.
Good morning, sir. My name is Abhyas and our topic is sustainable industries. As a traditional factories heavily pollute our environment, we designed an eco factory that captures all its industrial wastewater and purifies it completely. Half of this treated water is safely returned to the sea, and other half supplies clean water to the local outside areas.
Good morning, sir. I'm going to explain about wastewater capture. Our process begins the moment the wastewater capture. Our process begins the moment the factory creates waste. Instead of letting contaminated water getting dumped into our nature, our facility uses a closed loop drainage system. Every drop of dirty water is caught immediately at the source and piped safely into our on-site filtration plant, ensuring zero external leaks.
Before it comes out and gets dirty, internally it's settled.
Good morning, sir. I'm going to explain about the filtration process. Inside the filtration plant, we use physical screening to remove debris, followed by biological treatment to eliminate toxins. Finally, high-tech reverse osmosis purifies the water completely. It's make drinkable and reusable. The next
Good morning, sir. I'm going to explain about the sea discharge. In this process, once the water is purified, the first stream of the water is pumped into the ocean because the water is now entirely clean. After that, it supports the natural marine environment perfectly and does not cause any harm to the fish, coral reefs or coastal ecosystems. And thus, it allows us to support the natural environment without contributing to the ocean pollution.
Yes, I have never heard of a filtration system where even one drop of water should not reach ocean. For example, when you visit Tirupati, from 1 kilometer away from the temple, I saw a kind of filtration. Everything, including the drainage, all waters are purified, clean. For example, gardening, agriculture purposes, the tree watering process. It's also come to policies.
The second stream of the clean water is directly piped to the local communities. It flows straight into residential areas.
Which is usable.
It flows straight into residential areas to supply with water for their daily household needs.
It's great presentation. Is anybody else?
Good morning, sir. My name is Shyam. Today our project is plastic alternatives. Plastic is useful, but single-use plastic causes serious pollution. It takes 100 to 1,000 years to decompose. It causes harmful for plants, animals, and water bodies. It also damages our environment. We can switch to plastic alternatives to save our future.
Good morning, sir. Plastic is convenient, but it causes environment pollution as it is non-biodegradable. To reduce this, we can use materials like steel bottles, paper straws, and cloth bags to reduce environment pollution. These are reducible, reusable, and biodegradable.
Another factor why people are not avoiding plastics. Cost factor. Now, whatever you are displaying there, alternatives, it's costly. All cannot afford for everything. The government is okay nowadays, it's getting reduced. So thank you very much.
Because it is present in almost everything we do. This exhibition has been organized to show that chemistry is not just a subject learned in classrooms or laboratories, but an essential part of our daily lives. Or to my friend.
Our exhibition also features several demonstrations on diverse applications of chemistry in daily life, such as household chemicals, food preservation, nanotechnology, green chemistry, and perfumes and fragrances. Also chemicals improve our daily life. Acid base reactions and oxidation. Medicines are backbone of paramedical industry, providing access to medical livers to prevent from diseases. Natural preservatives help the food to keep fresh for longer time. They generally obtained from natural sources like herbs, minerals, etc. Some natural preservatives are salt, sugar, vinegar, etc.
Salt is also preservative.
Food safety means planning, preparing, and storing food in a way that prevents illness. Safe food
protect us from harmful bacteria, chemicals and viruses. Always wash your hands thoroughly.
Wash your hands
Thoroughly before handling food.
before handling food.
I am going to talk about antibiotics and antiseptics. Antibiotics are drugs which are used to kill or stop the growth of bacteria. It is used to kill the bacteria in various ways. Antiseptics are compound which is applied in skin, cut, food, etc. It prevents infection by killing or stopping the growth of bacteria.
So entire medicine process is going through this and curing entire body. Even for leg pain also the same.
This is molecular structure of several aspirin, paracetamol and
You say.
Antacids are fast-acting medicines that neutralizes HCl. They contain weak chemical bases like calcium carbonate that neutralizes the extrastomach acid. Analgesics. They are painkillers. The most usual painkillers are paracetamol and aspirin.
You made this? Okay, good. Next. Morning.
Detergent are the cleaning agent used to remove stain, grease, dirt from the clothes, utensils and aluminium. Detergents are used in liquid, bars and powders. Detergent soap also work even in hot water because they do not form calcium and magnesium ions.
It works in hot water.
Hot water. Today through our project we show that detergent remove the oil and water.
in this first coat we have water and oil. Oil does not mix with water because oil stays separate. In the second bowl we put some amount of detergent to it and we mix with oil. The detergent breaks the oil into tiny particles and forming the missile surfactant. Here is the missile model, sir. It has surfactants known as hydrophobic and hydrophilic paint. This is the dirt which hydrophilic attacks to the dirt and removes the dirt, sir.
Who is this a man name?
Yes,
A scientist name.
This is a model name. Missile model.
But there should be an origin.
Yes.
His name comes from, I don't know.
Detergent make our daily cleaning easier and more effective. However, we need to use them wisely and choose eco-friendly detergent whenever possible.
Sir, here is the homemade.
Is it not taste?
No, no, sir.
Models.
Quick, no time.
Washing soda, sir. Baking soda. Here's the tried sodium phosphate. Here is G salt. Next, cooking salt.
Okay.
Then here comes tinopar. Then finally we add acid to it, sir. Acid slurry.
Acid. What is the effect?
It constant is, if you stir it makes
When you are stirring.
Yes.
Okay.
Very
nice.
Detergent powder.
Okay. Next.
Our model represents the giant soap factory. Soap is one of the most important things in our day-to-day life as it helps remove germs, dirts, oils and makes us healthy. The process of making soap is known as saponification. In this process, an oil and an alkali reacts to form soap and glycerin.
Some of the families also make soap very easily. Loudly.
Soaps are made using sodium hydroxide, vegetable oil, water. They are mixed in correct ratio and they are sent to molds in mold section.
Vegetable oil also.
After the soap is hardened in the mold, it's set for the cutting machine to be cut into equal size. Then it is placed in the drying rack so that extra water can be evaporated.
Nowadays people prefer organic as they are natural, eco-friendly and they are made from natural ingredients like coconut oil, olive oil and some other organic.
Cosmetics, like chemistry plays a key role in cosmetic industry. And cosmetics are designed to improve the skin health and hair, teeth and lips. They do not treat diseases, but they improve hygiene and appearance. Chemistry behind shampoos. Shampoos are generally used to clean by removing the excessive oil, conditioning agents, surfactants, and preservatives. We shampoo itself contains conditioner. Conditioner is separately used.
Now I will say about the ingredients which have been used in the cosmetics. Water acts as a basic solvent and glycerin which gives a moisture to our face. And aloe vera soothes our skin of our face.
Before we are going to buy a product, shampoos, we should know the ingredients and its
structure data and its portions and SATs.
Mainly explain. Yes. Next.
Good morning, sir. We are going to explain about perfumes and fragrances. Perfumes has been used over 4,000 years, and the earliest perfumes were made in ancient Egypt. The first known perfume maker was Putti, a woman from Babylon, that is present-day Iraq. She made perfumes using flowers, herbs, and oils. Now our team explain more about perfumes. Perfumes are more than just in the day first.
Loudly.
Perfumes are more than just in the day first to smell pleasant. They are made by a blending of natural and synthetic ingredients with alcohol and water.
Are you using perfume daily? Rarely.
I will show you how to make perfumes in a simple way. We have to choose the fragrance oil. We have chosen lavender oil. We have to mix it with the perfume grade alcohol. Now we will bottle it and filter it. This is what you
made like this. We made this one.
Bottle.
For me, never use something.
Yes, I am going to talk about advantages and disadvantages of perfume. It improves personality, keeps a professional setting in the society, and it gives a positive vibe in the society. So
improves personality.
Yes, sir.
Okay, done.
Today we will explain about our project, which is based on household chemicals, specifically on identifying whether commonly used household substances are acidic, basic, or neutral using pH paper.
Many products that we use every day, such as soap, shampoo, vinegar, lime juice, and detergent, contain different chemicals with different pH values.
Through this project, we aim to demonstrate that chemistry is a part of our everyday life, and understanding the pH of household chemicals can help us use them safely and effectively.
Household chemicals are present in almost every room of our household, from kitchen and bathroom to laundry area. Each product has a specific pH.
Toy shop, small shop. Putty one.
So we would like to demonstrate that.
Quick.
It turns red, sir. So this is an acid. Lime juice is an acid.
Super, well done. Yes, next one.
Today we are going to speak about green chemistry.
Loudly.
Today we are going to speak about green chemistry. Green chemistry is the selling products and process of selling products and process.
Short. What is green chemistry? Short.
In simple words, green chemistry makes chemical more eco-friendly.
It's aim is to reduce waste, save energy, and reduce renewable use.
Of course.
Also avoid harmful chemicals.
Green chemistry has been reduced pollution, control exposure to the carbon dioxide and removes harmful gases and harmful particles, carbon particles.
Did you make this?
Yes. Brand is EXPO. The day you buy it, it looks shiny and bright. But after leaving it in rain for a few months, we notice brown flaky substance or uncovered parts outside. What is that thing called? Is it just dirt or something else? The brown thing you see is called rust, and the process the metal undergoes is called rust. Today our team will explain you what is rust and how rust is next one.
Lovely. You are turning 450 you are shouting in the expo. Wow. How you are not speaking at all?
Sir, we are here to explain about nanotechnology.
Nanotechnology comes is derived from the word nanos. It means small, but the impact of this field is nothing small. With this field, we can put incidents to this.
Yes. Next.
How process of rusting takes place? When oxygen and water forms rust. The formula of rusting is Fe2O3. Oxygen plus iron plus
Can't we
H2O.
prevent rusting?
We can prevent. We are trying to explain.
Rusting process damages in buildings, ships, and bridges,
maintenance, damages,
safety every year. Many companies and governments are spending millions of money to recover this.
Even we too do that.
Yes, next.
But how to prevent this rusting at the first place? This can be done through 4 ways. Before single, let's understand the term what is the prevention of rusting.
Okay.
The best way to stop rusting is to prevent the contact of iron from moisture, which is water and alcohol. The best way, the 4 ways are listed here. Galvanization, applying oil or grease, painting the surface and using stainless steel which contains chromium in it. This is not a simple brown flaky substance, but it is a result of a chemical reaction that happens in our day-to-day life.
It's our making. Nice suggestions. Yes. Well done, children.